Hello my friends, today I've got a little project for you. Maybe if you are creating a bag or you want to make a belt, this is the pattern I was looking for quite for a while, and I finally found it and I want to share this with you. My hook will be 4 mm today, and I've got acrylic cord. Start with creating a slip stitch, chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and chain 4. Insert your hook in a second chain stitch, pull up a loop, third stitch, pull up a loop, and the last stitch, pull up a loop. You have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all those loops. This is not Tunisian crochet, this is I don't know how to call this. I found this on TikTok and I thought I will share this because it looks fantastic and it is so easy to make. It is very quick if you are creating a belt, and it looks really nice. So you skip first stitch, insert your hook into 3, pull up a loop, skip 1 stitch and pull up a loop through 2 stitches and through 1. It's quite hard to explain, you just have to watch. Watch me just for a couple minutes and you will hang on to this pattern. It is very easy to remember, it is very easy to repeat, and I believe that you can make this wider if you increase initial chain and have not 4 loops, maybe 5 or 6. You will create even wider strap, or wider pattern will be wider. Or if you want to have a more narrow, so just avoid having 2 stitches and maybe make this with 3 or 2. So you try, and I'm sure you will like this. Put in the comments what is on your hook now. Maybe you are making a bag. It is just time to create summer bags, summer tops. I'm creating summer bag. This is my project ongoing, and I'm creating summer tops. Please don't forget to check my channel, click subscribe button, press notification bell, and I hope you guys will like my bag and you will check my summer tops. I'm creating these tutorials. Those are very nice, very quick tutorials, but you don't need much longer time to understand the pattern. I believe this pattern that will be very useful for you. Obviously you can use any yarn you are making a bag, but the trick is that it should be a little bit slippery, like acrylic cord. But anyway, if you are doing your bag, just try your yarn how this pattern will work for you, because everyone is different. If you want to try this, just feel free to try, or maybe give me some more ideas how this pattern would work for you or why it wouldn't work for you. Put it down in the comments below. I always read my comments. And like this you just keep going and going and going. It was just a few minutes video, and look, I have created quite a long strap, and it looks like this very unusual texture. It's not Tunisian crochet, it is different, and it looks very interesting, and it is very sturdy, so it will not It's not as boring as just single crochet strap, and I really like this, like the texture and everything. It is very unusual and very easy to make as well.